To receive constant, actionable tips to help you improve your quality of life, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then tap the bell icon to be the first to watch our new videos. Exercise can be beneficial for just about anything, including calming yourself and gaining control. Researchers have found that exercising alleviates anxiety by releasing endorphins, which make you feel better and less stressed, no matter the situation. And while this is all fine and dandy, many exercises are hard to do in public. So, in today's video, we want to show you 5 instant activities that you can perform anywhere and everywhere. Breathing exercises. This breathing exercise can be done anywhere, including the bus stop while waiting for a bus or a cab, or in front of an audience before your presentation. To do a breathing exercise which calms you, start with 2 counts on the inhale and 4 counts on the exhale. Inhale for 2 counts, hold your breath for 1 count, and then exhale for 4 counts. This is sure to give you a calming effect. When your exhale is longer than your inhale, information is sent to the brain to turn up your parasympathetic nervous system and turn down your sympathetic nervous system. Here is a little crash course in biology. The sympathetic nervous system is responsible for the fight or flight response, while the parasympathetic nervous system is responsible for calming your body. Monkey stretch. The monkey stretch is effective in releasing tension you hold in different parts of your body. To do this, extend your arms in front of you, then bring them down. Extend your arms to the side and bring them down. Then bring your arms all the way past your head, then swoop down, dangling your head between your knees. Hold this position for a few seconds before releasing. 5-second wall push. This pose is made to stabilize and center you on a subconscious level. To do this, plant your feet flat on the ground, and with palms flat against the wall, push the wall. You can do it for just 5 seconds and you will feel a little calmer. Heads down. To quiet your mind, sit down and place one arm on top of the other. Push your chair backwards so that your back is fully extended and rest your forehead on your arms. Close your eyes and relax. Seated twist. To do this calming exercise, sit on the edge of your seat and plant your feet firmly on the ground. With your right hand draped over the back of your chair and the other hand to the outside of your knee, rotate your torso to the right and look over your right shoulder. Stay in this position for 5 breaths and repeat on the left side. With these instant exercises, you are well on your way to calming yourself. Know any other exercises you can do in public to calm yourself? Share them with us in the comments below. If you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your friends. For more hacks and advice on living a purposeful life, subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.